Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is self-love. Love you some you. Look in the mirror today and say, I love you. I love your being. I love your strength. I love your essence. I love I love your glow. I love your gifts. Make sure you are your biggest cheerleader, because if you always make sure that you are charged up, gassed up, fueled up, ready and feeling positive, you don't need to rely on anyone else for anything. You can do anything in the world. Nothing will shake or break you. I attend to the needs of my heart by listening to it. My inner essence lets me know what is good for me. I respect my limits. I answer the requests of my body and soul. Thus, I learn to love myself. You're not missing out on anything because you are the party. Nothing wrong with spending time with yourself. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.